Hello everyone, today I am going to install a Ryoto Microplate Washer model RT2600. This is the packaging list and QC certificate of RT2600 microprocessor. We have all these items inside, and this is the RT microprocessor user manual. In the same way, we have RT operational procedure main screen. We have unboxed the machine. So this is the Ryoto model RT2600C. So the accessories with the unboxing, we can see the sensor. This is the floating switch for the waste jar, and this is the pump which we have to for water or buffer, and this is the syringe came with the unboxing. We have a microplate washer user manual. In the same way, we have RT206 operational guideline, and we have three jar, that is waste one, and another is water, distilled water, and a washer. We have a buffer we can use, and this is the tube which we have to keep for washing. In the same way, we have a cover to cover the machine. So we'll start the installation. We'll start from the back side. So this is the waste port cover. So we'll put this in the waste channel. We can see the color coding green and blue. Here also we can see the color coding wash and waste, and this is exhaust and wash. So according to the color coding, this is the green. We will fix it in the green, and the blue will be on the blue. In the same way, this is the float switch. This is the float switch sensor. When the waste will be full, the sensor will be up and it will give a waste full alarm. This will keep in this channel. This is a sensor one. We can see this is the sensor channel, and this is the waste jar. So we'll fix this in a waste jar. So the other part is for water. So this is for water jar, and another is, this one is water jar. For distilled water we can use. Waste jar will do for the water, and here we can see the pump. Okay, this is to inspire the water buffer to wash solution. So this is the pump we'll install, and this is the pump sensor. We can fix it here. So this is the pump sensor, and we'll put this in a water or a wash solution. So this is the wash solution. We can put the pump inside this, and we have a power cord here. We'll join the power cord on the back side. So these are the parts which we have to connect on the back side. So another is the pump configuration. So from wash it will go to wash connector. So we'll verify the connections on the back side. So this is the pump switch off and on. The sensor will be working for the pump to start and stop. So this is the wash. This is from the waste pipe. It will connect on the blue to blue and green to green connector, and this is the sensor connector. So from the back side we have completed the connections. We'll see on the front. So this is the front overview of Ryoto RT 2600C microprocessor model. This is the keypad, this is the display, and this is the way we have to keep the syringe injector. So we'll fix it in this way, and we have a 2 connector here. White will be connected to white, pure white, and another is a transparent connector will connect here. So we have a final setup with the connections will now, and this is the valve well we have to put here to wash the solution. So we'll ready to on the machine. Power cord switch on the machine, and here is also one switch to switch on. So we have on the machine here, we can see the display Ryoto version 4.2E RT2600. So note, don't flash liquid over the display. So this is the standby mode. We have to start to do all the models. We can see here modes are wash mode with plate, wash time, aspiration, fluid volume 350 microliter, soak time. So we will perform the functions. To select, we have to this button select. We can come here, select as a plate or strip plate. We have 2 functions. Again we have to do select. How much time do you have to wash? 3 times, 4 times. We can change the setting to this. Again we have to press on select button, and we have a single and a double inspiration settings. In the same way we have a fluid volume, what are the soak time we have to keep. So again we'll come on the start. So how many strips to keep for the on settings. So we have a 12 strips here. For a demo we'll do for 1 strips or 2 strips. So 2 strips start. So the work is on here, the needle is working now. It will come up. So it is pouring the liquid. You can see here. Again on the home position, again it will come and spike. Again it will pour, again it will spike. Again it will soak, washing. So it washing for the 3 times we can see, and again it return to the home position. Again the pump is for wash. We have to do, if we have any other settings, like we can prime it, we can prime. So it is priming, it's on a priming mode. So the pump will be working, and the waste, you can see the waste is coming and washing. Again we can do the horizon, keep that, putting the pump into the distilled water and press any key. So we have put the sensors on the distilled water, so we can, it is doing a rising. So it will perform a rising, you can see here. So the pump is working. So it will started the completed the rising. So it is on the standby mode. So we have completely installed this model.